How to turn off autocorrect on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your settings, and once you do that, navigate to the input section. It's different for each and every phone. Usually you will find it among the language and the general management section. Once you're there, go ahead and navigate to the keyboard that you are using. As for some phones, usually there are several keyboards. So go ahead and navigate to the current keyboard that you are using. And once you're there, you will find some features such as predictive text or autocorrect or auto replace or auto spell check. Make sure to turn all of these off, and once you do that, the auto correction feature will be disabled. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable Android autocorrect. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.